Hey there, welcome to my review of CloudzPro. Okay, so CloudzPro is a brand new SSD cloud technology that lets you store and deliver all of your videos, audios, images, media files at lightning fast speed at a low one-time price. Let's talk about it a little bit here. All right, so CloudzPro, all-in-one platform, allows you to store, backup, share, host unlimited files and images and videos in the cloud for life at an unbeatable one-time price. Everyone needs more online storage, especially as web and image files really eat it up fast. But talk about expensive. DropBox, iCloud, MediaFire can really put a dent in your budget with your monthly fees, not to mention all of their limitations. Store, backup your files or website in 3 simple steps with CloudzPro. Step number 1, log in to CloudzPro from any device of your choice without any restrictions. Step number 2, drag and drop all files to CloudzPro to start updating. Watch your files upload in minutes with our ultra-fast compression technology. And step 3, now you can share your content, your videos, audios, images, documents, graphics, and much more with anyone that you would like without ever losing it. All right, and so I have a demo video that we're going to run through here. And so let's take a look at that. And so, that demo was lightning fast also. But basically, pretty simple. As you see, you can create folders and have, certain types of files. You have your videos in one folder, your images in one folder, your files in another folder, however you want to organize it there. And so pretty easy to use. Most of these storage softwares are very similar. All right, so what is this going to cost you today? So the front end of CloudzPro is $17. There is a $3 coupon that'll get it to you for $14 if you use coupon code CLOUDZ3, that's CLOUDZ3, and that will give you a $3 discount throughout the whole funnel. So any of the upsells, you use the same code and get $3 off of that also. Now, with the front end, you do get 10 terabytes of cloud storage. 10 terabytes of cloud storage for a one-time fee at $17. Incredible. All right, so you upload and manage unlimited videos, images, audios, documents, upload your files in seconds, upload any file, document, folder, you name it, simply drag and drop, shareable links, one-click sharing, login access from anywhere, upload in the background, and much more. Then we have a number of one-time offers here, of course. OTO number 1, CloudzPro Pro, for $37. You can watermark file preview features, set your files folders as public or private, get detailed file stats, download not only files but an entire folder as a zip file, add security layers, preview your file to quickly scan them, enable watermarking, and much more. OTO number 2, CloudzPro Max for $47. Remove all limits, unlimited uploads and downloads, remove daily limitations and unlimited uploads and downloads, unlimited remote URL uploading, upload multiple files simultaneously. OTO number 3, CloudzPro Enhanced Security for $67. 100% protection of data with ironclad data protection and advanced security. Add more security layers by putting passwords on your files and folders, advanced encryption. OTO number 4, CloudzPro Unlimited Web Hosting for $67. Here, we'll host unlimited websites and domains, unlimited bandwidth with unlimited databases, unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption. Then we have OTO number 5 for $97. You're going to create unlimited CloudzPro accounts you want, sell, give away, rent. This is a limited time agency opportunity, so this OTO is not going to be available or not going to be available for that price for very long. All right, and then we have OTO number 6, CloudzPro Reseller for $67. Resale license allows you to sell CloudzPro as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. And of course, here we have some comparison charts with CloudPros versus DropBox, iCloud, and Google Cloud. And of course, 10 terabytes versus 2 and 1 terabytes for the others is a biggie. And of course, the price, one time $17 for life versus $9.99 to $11.99 per month for those others. All right, and of course, this comes with 100% money back guarantee. I have some bonuses for you when you pick up CloudzPro from any of my links today, any of these red banners that you see on the page. So the first bonus I have for you is free traffic, 5,000 visitors to any URL of your choice, plus 2,500 text ads, plus 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 2, side hustle secrets, highly effective ways to make extra money online. Bonus number 3, learn how to build a big email list fast with Lightning List. Bonus number 4, our winter traffic rotator gives daily traffic to any URL. And bonus number 5, an easy way to improve your vendor score on Warrior Plus, and especially if you are just getting started, you're having trouble getting approved quickly or a lot. This will show you how to improve your score so more vendors will approve you and approve you quicker. All right, with Rhino Results 2.0. All right, and bonus number 6 are the bonuses that the vendor from CloudzPro are giving you, or passing through me to give to you when you purchase through any of my red banners here today. All right, the demo video that we just saw is on this page, so if you need to take another gander at it, bookmark this page, come back to it and watch this as often as you would like. That takes us pretty much to the end. Again, click the red banner here to go ahead and get your copy. Once you go to your secure sales process, you will end up on the Warrior Plus purchase page, and you'll have 2 buttons here. The green button will be to access your CloudzPro, and the blue button will be to access the bonuses that I have just presented to you, that I'm giving to you when you purchase through any of my banners here today. That is it. I want to thank you for taking your time to check out this review, the bonuses, the demo, and the information about CloudzPro. I hope this is something that is useful for you. If it is, go ahead and jump on it while the price is still at a low price. And with that, have a fantastic rest of your day, and as always, to your success.